10 questions you always wanted to know about head chef Jason Lewis from the White Hart, Hartlebury. What's your favourite dish on the menu?
Herd chicken with the leek and cashews. Very nice. Very tasty. Smells amazing.
What celebrity chef would you have loved to have trained under?
Rick Stein would have been a good one. You know, you've got to go to Gordon Ramsay as well, I suppose. Raymond Blanc would have been nice, but you know, you were good enough for me, Tom.
What's your pet hate in the kitchen?
People who can't be bothered. Waste of air.
And for this weather, superbike or Ferrari?
It's got to be my bike. I want to go from there. Later on.
What's your worst kitchen wound you've either had or seen?
I think steam burns are probably the worst ones I've seen. They seem to make a proper mess of your skin. But, never had one myself, so I'll just keep laughing every time to somebody else.
If you weren't a chef, where would you be now?
On my bike by the seaside, I think.
What's your favourite gadget in the kitchen?
Water bath. Every day.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Red sauce or brown sauce?
It's got to be brown sauce.
What ingredient couldn't you live without in the kitchen?
Coffee.
And £5 pay rise or Michelin star?
Michelin star.